made it. I've got blue balls. Not in the typical sense, but in the way that I haven't photographed in like a month. Had a baby, so I've been kind of busy with that. I've not got anything planned. I'm just going to kind of go out and shoot and have fun. So, oh, I missed it. Boom. That many people think? I quite enjoy that. I quite like that. Even that was cool. This one though just wants to say hello. Hello. Hello, Jackie. Oh, you can go, don't worry about me. Jesus. Oh, hello. What is this little sneaky hideaway I found? I feel like I have something here, but I don't know what it is yet. Colour. I think that might be the downside here, is the lack of colour. I know where we can go that's got plenty of colour though. Do the transition? Sure. See? Colours. But we will be up there. But I need to cut back a bit because I actually got a few shots between transition to here. So enjoy them first. That's a nice one. Semi-Wes Anderson. I don't think I've ever held onto my camera that tightly before. I'll try angle it like this. I like it. I don't love. I wonder if I can can you see this? They're going to walk right into that. Oh, hello. How was I doing it? I was doing this. Come on, love. Look at that. Perfectly walked into it for me. What is this do? Oh, I love that. So I love this, right? But see, what I want to do now is, instead of lining it up with the shop's verticals, line it up with the ground, and then do this. This is going to be a perfect shot for it, actually. Absolutely perfect. So look, I'm going to come in a bit more. My hand's coming. Right, so I've now got the shot framed pretty much spot on. Wes Anderson, right? And then what I'm going to do is line it up with the floor. That's so much more interesting. Maybe I don't have to look for buildings. Maybe I can just do like stuff like that. Also, this is a nice shot. I like the bird. Hoping this guy's got it. This guy's got my vibe. Maybe. So what we have here is the blossoms. And what we have is every single person in Edinburgh photographing the exact same thing. How do we do it differently? Gorgeous, gorgeous girls. I like this. I hate the lamppost and I hate the bin. Oh my god, did I get it? Someone in every segment. That was nice. See, this now just makes it look like it's all alone, which I kind of love. I'm getting a little bit closer to these ones. These have got direct sun on them, so they're going to be lit a lot nicer. I think I want specifically like this one. What I can do is get low. I can't really see. Let's see. That kind of works. It's going to be a bit far out. Just a wee bit. Ah, it's good. That's gold. My battery's about to die. So I love yous and leave yous. Tune in to next time. Like, comment, subscribe, and whatever. Love yous.